I'm going to eat my breakfast. Actually, this is a brunch with myself because my children is still sleeping. The other one is there, and the three others still in the room. So I have cheese whiz and cheese. This one, and this one is from Wowie, this one from Axie, and this one from last night dinner, courtesy of Inday Joanna, and this one is from Pato. And this one, I made this yesterday. It's supposedly this is coated peanuts, but on my there is some mistake on my cooking, so it looks like peanut brittle. No, it's bande. And then I have some juice here, and that's all. This is my breakfast lunch already.